I'm John Coyle. Welcome to AutoNation Drive's new head-to-head feature. In this corner, we have the 2019 Ford Edge ST. The ST is a new trim level for the recently updated Edge, and it's the first high-performance crossover from Ford. Next, we have the Acura RDX. It's been completely redesigned for 2019 and builds on the previous generation's reputation for being a sharp-handling luxury crossover. Both the Ford and the Acura are competing in a red-hot segment and aim to provide driving thrills. So let's compare engines, interiors, standard features, and pricing. First, let's look at the powertrains. The Edge ST comes packing a 2.7-liter turbocharged EcoBoost V6, which is good for 335 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive is standard, and power gets to the ground via an 8-speed automatic transmission. Gas mileage comes in at 19 city and 26 highway. In comparison, the RDX has a turbocharged 4-cylinder, which pumps out 272 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. Front-wheel drive is standard, all-wheel drive is available, and both drivetrains use a 10-speed automatic transmission. In front-wheel drive spec, the RDX delivers 22 mpg city and 28 highway. Add all-wheel drive and it takes a slight dip to 21 city, 26 highway. While the RDX is hardly underpowered, we think the ST's significant power advantage gives it the win here. Now, let's look inside the cabin. The Edge comes standard with some great luxury features, including dual-zone climate control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and push-button start. The 10-way power-adjustable front seats are nicely bolstered, and the ST badging and aluminum gas and brake pedals reflect the model's sporty aspirations. Cargo-wise, there's 39 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats up, which climbs to 73 feet with them folded. With 30 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats and 59 with the seats folded, the Acura has slightly less cargo room than the Edge. But that translates to a cabin that feels roomier for all passengers. Material quality is also a notch above the Fords and provides a premium feel befitting an upscale brand. Heated front seats are standard in the RDX, as is a panoramic sunroof, which provides a great sense of openness in the cabin. While both vehicles have well-designed interiors, we think the roomy cabin, better materials, and larger number of standard features make the Acura the winner here. Infotainment is a big focus for today's buyers, so it's an area no automaker can afford to overlook. The Edge ST comes standard with Sync 3, which supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And while it might not be the flashiest system on the market in regard to graphics or animations, it's intuitive and responds quickly to inputs, which makes it a snap to use while you're underway. Along with 2 USB ports and a Wi-Fi hotspot, the ST also comes with a great-sounding 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen premium sound system. While the Acura features an attractive 10.2-inch infotainment screen, supports Bluetooth, and features 2 USB ports, we found the touchpad interface takes some getting used to for those accustomed to traditional touchscreens. And though Apple CarPlay is supported, the current system doesn't work with Android Auto, which might be a deal breaker for fans of Google's OS. The standard sound system also has just 9 speakers, though more premium upgrades are available. This is a tough call, but we think the Ford's more intuitive system, along with its better standard sound system and support for Android Auto, give it the win here. From a safety standpoint, both the Edge and the RDX deliver, as each comes standard with advanced features like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and lane departure warning. That said, the Acura earned a 5-star rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration in comparison with the Ford's rating of 4 stars. Now it's time to talk price. The Edge ST starts at $42,355, and along with all-wheel drive, it comes standard with beefy brakes and a sport-tuned suspension designed to take full advantage of the robust V6 engine. In comparison, opting for the advanced package will score you an RDX with all those features, along with cooled front seats and trick tech like a surround view camera, along with a heads-up display for $45,400. Add an additional $2,000 for all-wheel drive, and you're still coming in about $500 short of a comparatively equipped Edge. Pricing is so close here, we're going to call this a draw. If you're looking for more power, the Ford is a clear winner, but if you want more creature comforts, the Acura is a better bet. This contest is razor close, but we're giving it to Ford by a whisker. The performance potential of the Ford simply can't be overlooked, and we think the easy-to-use infotainment system, superior cargo space, along with support for Android Auto, make it a more well-rounded vehicle. Of course, you shouldn't buy a car without a thorough test drive. So if you're deciding between the Ford Edge ST and the Acura RDX, visit AutoNation.com to find a nearby dealer. Which do you think is the best choice? Leave a comment below, and also be sure to subscribe as we have more head-to-head comparisons coming up. I'm John Coyle. Thanks for watching.